All right, so I've got a bagel. It's not frozen, it's just regular bread. I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna just set her down on there, flip her over, slide her in, all right? Shut it, turn it back on, you click there. Now if we go to menu, we could do toast, and that's what I want. Rack level, 3, and I've got it 1, 2, 3, there it is, all right? So I slide it back, and if I'm good with that, I just hit this. And it should cook it. Should toast it up, right? Let's see what's going on. Toast. I mean, is it gonna do it for 5 minutes? I don't know. I would think it wouldn't need to go that long. But just keep an eye on it and see what happens. Or I'm gonna come back and we'll see how she does. So it's cooking. Right now we're at 314, but I don't see it getting too brown. We'll just let it keep going. So weird. I mean, it's taking like 5 minutes for it to toast at 425. I mean, look at on the bottom, it's super hot. And it's starting to get brown. See? It's starting to turn brown. All right. Another minute, it says. We'll see how perfect it is. All right, we're at 1 minute. Let's check it out. See how it's getting nice and brown on it? That's about right, man. It took 5 minutes at 425. Now we've got a couple more minutes. And look at it. Let's see if it works it perfectly. 50 seconds. Definitely getting crispy. 41. I don't know. Check it out. 34, 33 seconds. Let's go all the way and see if it does it perfectly. I'll be very surprised. 27 seconds. Look, it's almost perfect now. Wow, we got this down to a science. 18 seconds. Check it out. 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam, end. Wow, that is just about as perfect as you can get. Take a look at that. Woo! That's amazing. This thing really works great. I highly recommend it. Looks good, doesn't it? Good. Came out perfect. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like that.